those who don't have the basic science strong background, particularly in physics, mathematics, I would say they should not come to study engineering. Industry, academia, interaction, collaboration, this is very essential. Thank you very much for inviting me here to share a few words with you about engineering education in Bangladesh. I was a professor in BAETE for long 40 years in the Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering, and after my retirement from BAETE, I joined American International University, Bangladesh, where currently I have been working there as Dean of the Faculty of Engineering. The most important thing, the accreditation is the key to improve the quality of engineering education. This accreditation should come from a competent, professional, quality assurance body or agency. And BAETE, under the umbrella of Institution of Engineers Bangladesh, is working on that for engineering education. And this BAETE should work totally unbiased and should stay above all kinds of politics. Although AIUB governance may be politicized, but not BAETE. It has to work 100% unbiased. Without accreditation, actually you don't know the strengths and weaknesses of an engineering program in any educational institution. So proper accreditation guides you or shows you what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses. So that is very essential to improve the quality of education. Others, among others, in bullet form, if I share with you, even pre-engineering education, the college educators, they have also a responsibility to groom our young college students in basic science subjects like physics, chemistry, math, statistics, computer education. So in all this, and college educators should tell them who is fit to study engineering. And their career path also, the college educators should show to the young students. That is at the pre-level. And our regulatory bodies like University Grants Commission or Bangladesh Accreditation Council, they should restrict admission to engineering programs of students. Those who don't have the basic science strong background, particularly in physics, mathematics, I would say they should not come to study engineering. Engineering education is a specialized system, a specialized education, and there should be proper screening in the admission process. Then when students they are admitted in engineering departments or engineering programs, the institutions or university has a responsibility in a number of things to provide the correct infrastructure like classrooms, laboratories, and other ecosystems to ensure that we are grooming our engineering students properly to face the challenges. Particularly at the current time, we talk about SDGs. So our students must be familiar how they will solve the problems linked to SDGs. And to do that, every university has a responsibility to provide support so that industry, academia, interaction, collaboration, this is very essential. I mean, internship of students, very important, and students' activities during their study, organizing seminars, workshops, job fairs, poster presentations, and also in projects, particularly now engineering education, engineering curriculum is outcome-based education model. This is international standard, and we are also working for that. If we understand, if our teachers, if our educators, if the universities, they understand properly the outcome-based education model, and if they truly implement in engineering education programs, I am sure that we can ensure that the graduates will come out with international standard or international attributes which the engineers they need to achieve. So a few things, the government has a responsibility before approving any engineering department. They should see whether the department has the adequate infrastructure to carry out engineering curriculum and program. Number one, UGC can do that, and professional bodies, they can ensure they can provide support where are the weaknesses, where are the strengths, and accordingly how to improve the infrastructure to provide support to the students who will be graduating in the near future. So there are multi-stakeholders, and all of them have a responsibility. The Institution of Engineers has also a responsibility, because this will be the club for all the engineers of the country. So nowadays, and the teachers of the university, they have a responsibility. They should be focused on students to develop their knowledge, their skills, their attitude, their ethics, their professional code of conduct. So with all these supports to our students, we can improve the quality of engineering education in this country, and we can ensure that our graduates, engineering graduates in the near future, will be competitive not only within the country, they will be competitive in the global market. So thank you very much.